Hello everybody, welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, we are just continuing on in this Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link in the description, or you can find it on Amazon. If you do buy the book, I do get a small commission from that. Alright, so today we are working on puzzle 41. Let's just start with this box here. Looks like we're missing 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 there. So here's our 2 and our 6. So if we work on this column, 1, 2, looks like we're missing 3 and 8. There's an 8 here. So 3 and 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 5 and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so that's our 5. 2 there, so 9 and 2. So to work on this box, 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 there, so 3, 7. This box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 there, 4, 1. Do this row, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 6 here. 1, 6. This row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 there. So 7 and 5. For this box, 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here. 4, 8. For this box, 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 up here, so 3 and 7. Let's just start with this column, 1, 2. Looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and a 7 here, so 4. Got a 7 here, so 3 and 7. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2, a 4, and a 6. We've got a 6 here and a 4 here, so this is our 2. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. So to finish off this square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this square, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1 and 3. We do this row, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8 and 5. This row, 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4 and 3. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6. We don't have any help. 2, 6, 2, 6. If we do this row, would also be a 2 and a 6, but we've got a 6 there. So that makes us a 2, 6, 2. So for this box, we're missing a 1 and a 6. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 there, so 1 and 8. For this box, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 there, so 4 and 5. And there we have it. That was a pretty quick one today. All right, please do like, subscribe, and hit that reminder bell. It does help the channel out. And I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle. GoPro, stop recording.